y'all, Darla here with Growing Tropical, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you an update on the Mama Nature's mosquito juice that we did 21 days ago. So if y'all are interested in getting rid of your mosquitoes quickly, effectively, and organically, stay tuned. Okay, so I am really excited to report that we are loving this Mama Nature mosquito juice. It is absolutely wonderful, and I am thrilled with it. Number one, because it's cost effective, but number two, it definitely was a major reduction in the mosquito population after the first application. There's no doubt about it in my mind. After that first application, we literally saw 85 to 90% reduction in any mosquito population that was out here. The area that I'm sitting at right now, I'm sitting on a wood deck, and underneath this wood deck, I know that there's a lot more moisture in this area than, say, for example, the south side of our yard. We did notice after a couple of days we were out here that we saw like little tiny mosquitoes. There weren't very many of them. There were maybe just a handful of them that we actually we noticed. But before that, the mosquitoes were large and in charge. There were babies, there were large ones, they were all over the place. So we did notice that right off the bat, we had a huge reduction in the large mosquito population with just a few of the small ones. However, on the south side of the yard, we noticed there were literally no mosquitoes. Right after we had done this application, after the first application, I was over there gardening a little bit, and I noticed as I was gardening, I didn't even realize it because I wasn't like paying attention to it. And about midway through doing some stuff over there, I thought, I'm not even getting bit by mosquitoes. And I was like, oh my gosh, this stuff is really good. And I was I was super excited because I didn't have to get out the Skin-tastic and start inundating myself with, you know, mosquito repellent and everything. So that was huge. That was absolutely huge. The other thing was my husband was on the north side of the property. He was doing some work over there. When he came in a little bit later on, he goes, hey, Darla, just wanted to let you know, the whole time I was over there working, he goes, I may have had one or two mosquitoes the whole time. He goes, so that stuff seems to really be working. So all in all, you guys, I am very pleased to announce that this stuff seems to be doing the trick. And again, I love the fact that it's cost effective. It is easy to apply. You know, simple homeowners like you and I can apply this product. And the other thing that is super important is it's natural, it's organic. It's not going to harm you. It's not going to harm your children, your animals. That is priceless as far as I'm concerned. So all in all, you guys, I am very happy to report that the mosquito juice is absolutely working for us. My husband's going to mix some of this up this afternoon, and we are going to go ahead and spray our property. Again, it's 21 days, and we're going to be spraying our property. We have to remember, everybody needs to remember that if you do use this, you need to make sure that you keep that regimen. You want to make sure that you are following the instructions where you're doing it every 18 to 21 days, 2 to 3 weeks, because once you get that perimeter built up around your property, you don't want to let it get weak, because you don't want to let it, let the mosquitoes start coming in little by little, because once you start doing that, then you're going to have to kind of maybe start the process over. So during the summer months right now, while the mosquito population is just with the rain, with the humidity and the heat and everything, our mosquitoes are just really, it's a breeding ground for them. So I want to make sure that I build that perimeter and I keep those mosquitoes off of our property, because we enjoy so much being able to be outside, especially under our pool cabana area. We spend an enormous amount of time actually out here watching TV, and I got to tell you, it is no fun being out here and watching a movie, having a movie night when you're having to do all this mess and you're having to spray yourselves. It is no fun. So you guys, I hope that this video has been informational and letting you know that there is stuff out there for you and I, homeowners, something that is organic, something that is cost effective, that we can do to keep those pesky little critters away from our our living areas, our living spaces outside. Whether you're barbecuing, whether you're watching a movie, you're swimming in the pool, or you're just sitting out relaxing in the evening time trying to read a book. Trying to do anything with mosquitoes is just it's crazy. So you guys, I love the fact that I was able to report positively on this video. And if you are being bothered by mosquitoes, definitely go to the website. I'm going to drop this link below. I recommend that you guys go in there and you order this mosquito juice today and start treating your property. So until the next video, bye for now.